As human beings, we possess an incredible power within us, the power of consciousness. Our consciousness is what allows us to be self-aware and to experience the world around us. It is the sum total of our thoughts, beliefs, and experiences, and it is what makes us who we are. Our consciousness influences everything we do, from our physical interactions with the world to our thoughts and beliefs about ourselves and others. But what is consciousness, and how does it work? Consciousness is one of the most fundamental aspects of human existence, yet it remains one of the most elusive and difficult to define phenomena. Simply put, consciousness is the state of being aware of one's surroundings, thoughts, emotions, and perceptions. It is the essence of what makes us human, as it is responsible for our ability to experience the world around us and make sense of it. One of the main features of consciousness is our ability to perceive the world around us. We rely on our 5 senses, sight, hearing, touch, taste, and smell, to take in information about our environment. However, our perception of reality is not limited to these sensory inputs alone. We also have the ability to interpret and make sense of this information, to categorize it and store it in our memory, and to compare it with previous experiences. Another important aspect of consciousness is our capacity for reason and decision-making. We use our cognitive abilities to analyze and process information, weigh options, and make choices that shape our lives. This includes both conscious and unconscious decision-making, as many of our choices are driven by subconscious beliefs and biases. Our awareness of our own thoughts and feelings is another defining characteristic of consciousness. We have the ability to introspect and reflect on our internal experiences, to monitor and regulate our emotions, and to recognize our own mental states. This self-awareness is a crucial component of our consciousness, as it allows us to understand ourselves and others on a deeper level. Despite decades of research, scientists and philosophers still do not fully understand how consciousness works. There are numerous theories about the origins and mechanisms of consciousness, ranging from purely biological explanations to more spiritual or metaphysical views. Some theories suggest that consciousness is an emergent property of the brain, arising from the complex interactions between neurons and neural networks. According to this view, consciousness is simply a byproduct of the brain's information processing functions and can be fully explained by studying the physical processes that occur in the brain. Others argue that consciousness is a more fundamental aspect of the universe, existing independently of the brain or any other physical structure. This view posits that consciousness is an intrinsic property of the universe itself, and that our brains are simply receivers or transmitters of this universal consciousness. Regardless of the precise nature of consciousness, it is clear that it plays a crucial role in shaping our experiences and perceptions of the world. These beliefs and thoughts are deeply embedded in our subconscious mind, which is like a sponge that absorbs everything it is exposed to, whether it is positive or negative. Therefore, it is essential to be mindful of our thoughts and beliefs as they ultimately shape our reality. By understanding how consciousness works, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the complexity and richness of human experience, and perhaps even unlock new insights into the nature of reality itself. The law of consciousness is a fundamental principle that governs our existence. It is the idea that we create our reality through our thoughts, beliefs, and perceptions. This means that whatever we believe to be true about ourselves and the world around us, we manifest into our reality. Let's take an example. Suppose you want to achieve a particular goal, such as getting a promotion at work. If you have negative beliefs about yourself and your ability to succeed, such as "I am not good enough" or "I am not smart enough," then you are likely to manifest failure. On the other hand, if you have positive beliefs and thoughts about yourself, such as "I am capable of achieving anything I set my mind to," then you are more likely to manifest success. The law of consciousness is not a mystical secret, but a universal truth that underlies everything that makes up who we are. It is a natural law that governs our lives, much like the law of gravity or the laws of thermodynamics. We create our reality, and by accepting this reality, we can take control of our lives and influence the world to reflect who we truly are. This means that if we want to change our lives, we must change our thoughts, beliefs, and perceptions. We must start by accepting that we are responsible for our reality and that we have the power to change it. Once we accept this truth, we can start to take action to create a life we desire. The power of consciousness lies in our imagination, feelings, and decisions. Our thoughts and feelings are the keys to unlocking this power. The conscious mind accepts ideas based on what it believes to be true, even though they do not originate from it. It objects to them in its way and then accepts them. The subconscious, where creation begins, functions more intuitively than logically. To control our subconscious, we must control our thoughts and feelings. The creative process starts with a thought that is imprinted on the subconscious mind through sensations. After being sensed, the idea needs to be expressed. As a result, sensation is the only way for thoughts to enter the subconscious mind. This is why it is crucial to be mindful of our thoughts and feelings, as they ultimately shape our reality. To materialize our desires and create the reality we desire, we must learn to control our feelings. Our moods and emotions have a significant impact on the world we live in. According to the law of consciousness, human consciousness is the cause of everything in this universe. We have the power to control our thoughts and emotions to build an ideal world. Since our subconscious mind reacts to our emotions, which are the womb of creation, we may influence it by managing our thoughts and emotions. It is vital to understand that the subconscious mind can only be reached through our feelings. We must have strong feelings about our ambitions and objectives, as feeling comes before manifestation and forms the basis for all manifestations. A stronger feeling is one that is more likely to be manifested than a weak one. One way to control our feelings is to use visualization techniques. Visualization is a powerful tool that can help us create a mental image of our desired outcome. For example, if you want to manifest a new car, you can visualize yourself driving it, feeling the leather seats beneath you, smelling the new car scent, and enjoying the smooth ride. By focusing on this image and infusing it with positive emotions such as excitement and joy, you are sending a signal to the universe that you are ready to receive this manifestation. Visualization techniques have been used by many successful people throughout history. For instance, Olympic athletes often use visualization techniques to prepare for their competitions. They visualize themselves winning the race or the game, feeling the thrill of victory and hearing the cheers of the crowd. This visualization helps them to build confidence, focus their energy, and achieve their goals. Gratitude is another powerful tool that can help us control our feelings. When we practice gratitude, we focus on the good things in our lives, such as our health, our family, our friends, our job, our home, and our passions. By acknowledging and appreciating these things, we shift our attention from what we lack to what we have. And this shift can have a profound impact on our emotional state. Gratitude can be practiced in many ways, such as keeping a gratitude journal, where you write down things that you are grateful for every day, expressing gratitude to the people in your life, or simply taking a moment to appreciate the beauty around you. By focusing on the positive aspects of our lives, we can cultivate a sense of joy and contentment, which can attract more positive experiences into our lives. If you enjoyed the content and found it valuable, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with friends. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and click on the notification so you never miss out on new videos. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.